Hello everyone, this is the second part of the nail mail that I have received today. And once again, I sort of opened the package. I did take a quick peek, and they are going to be gel polishes. So the first one we're going to take a look at is the I Do gel polish. And what do we have here? The instructions, tips and recommendations, and I love the way they come packaged. And this is right here is Love at First Sight. Something new. I wish I had this one for when I was getting married, which a quick true fact, I will be married for 2 years in September. Super excited. Blushing Bride. And a story behind my nails. So every person is always excited when you're going to get married and you want everything to be perfect. And well, I decided to go to a salon, even though having over 2,000 nail polishes, not including gel nails and all of the stuff that I have, I ended up going to a salon like maybe 4 days before my wedding. And by my wedding, all of my nails were chipped. They looked horrid. I mean, I was so embarrassed. And they took some beautiful pictures. And sadly, those nails look horrid. It's so sad and so embarrassing. But anyways, back at the ranch. This one's called Behind the Veil. Glass slipper. Happily Ever After. And once again, I really like how they packaged them. So cozy. And this one, I don't remember what colors these are, but it is called Cali Dreamin'. I live in California, so I'm assuming they did it for California. I'm not sure, but really cool name for a collection. I do not remember which one these are, so let's take a look. Oh, yes. So this one's called Acoustic Asana. Mojave Mixer. Indio. Papaya Whip. Sorry, trying to read them backwards. Lightwear and Escape Velocity, which is right there. So these are the ones I got. And once again, they are very nicely packaged. They look good. And these also come with instructions. And let's see what else. This is a Femme Fatale. And these are 3 gel polishes. This one's called Maneater, Serene's Call, Enchantress. So this one, I'm really excited, and I got it because a long time ago I had seen on Pinterest a beautiful ombre, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I can get that with these here. And I'm assuming everybody saw that photo. It's where there's like a burnt or like a reddish to darkish burnt red and a darker color like fading. And I've always been interested in that. I've done it with polish, but I want to see if I can get a better outcome with the gel polish. But these are the three colors that I heard that I had ordered. My goodness, I cannot speak for the life of me. The three stamping. My goodness. Okay, mind the bloopers. I do not feel like recording this video for like I don't know, the third time. The first one took me a while, and I just really want to get through this. Okay, let's go. And anyways, so these are the three gel polishes that I got, and they were in a bundle. Once again, this one's a theme fatale. Hopefully I get a chance to play with these soon. I have so many ideas with so many polishes. I just don't have enough time. So these are all the polishes, gel polishes, correction that I got. And as per usual, paperwork. More lovely stickers. Confession, I already ate the other one. I couldn't hold it, so I have this one. Hopefully it won't be gone after this video is posted. Okay, who am I kidding? It probably will be. And yeah, so that's all of my haul. I've already placed the stamping plate back in its home, but here are the rest of the collection. This is from the other order, or the first package that I showed. And of course, the beautiful flowers, spring, can't wait, I'm super excited. And like I said, the stamping plate I already placed in my binder, the binder that I showed in previous videos. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you guys take time to look at them, thank you. And mind the bloopers, I will not be doing no cutting, it's strictly going to be posted. So enjoy a good laugh. You guys have a blessed night. I will have a little bit of fun before going to bed and trying to finish some of my nail art that I've been working on. Goodbye. If you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, let me know.